Hello, flute players. We're going to be going through Jolly Old St. Nicholas today. We're going to be doing Christmas music, super fun. We're going to get into SmartMusic and show you which parts are the easiest, hardest, why 3 parts, how to play them, what it sounds like when we put it all together. Here we go. So when you open up your Jolly Old St. Nicholas, you will see that there is an A part, a B part, and a C part. Each one of these parts is one individual line. If we were in a regular band room, the A part would be one person, the B part would be another person, and the C part would be a different person. So there are 3 different individual parts that are played all the way through. When you go to listen to these different parts in SmartMusic, understand that you will not hear them separated, which is why I've made this YouTube video. As you will see as we go forward, I'll play each line for you so you can hear what it should sound like. You may be asking yourself, Mr. Butler, I don't know which part to play. Are you going to tell us what to play? No, I'm going to let you decide and we'll go from there. Here's a handy chart of how each part exists in terms of its difficulty. So the A line in this song is the hardest, the B part is the medium difficulty, and then the easiest part is the C part. This is the part that a lot of people who haven't gotten very far in the tracker should play so that they can still contribute to our musical event. For whatever part you decide, make sure you click on that part in the staff so that you know you're being listened to and graded to that part. So for instance, if I was going to play the C part, have the C part clicked when you go to hit record. If you don't, it'll think you're playing B or A, whichever part that it's currently on. I'm going to play this entire song from beginning to end, but it is separated into a 4-measure phrase for the first assignment, and then for measure 5 through 8, back to the beginning, and then taking the second ending for the second assignment. So the first assignment for Jolly Old St. Nicholas, the part 1 is going to be significantly easier in terms of length than the part 2. I'm going to do everything in one go so that we have this video to help you with part 1 or part 2, whichever one you're currently working with. And so how do repeats and endings work? So if I was going to play this from beginning to end, I would go and when I get to that double dot line, I'll go back to the beginning and play that A line again. But when I'm playing it again and I get to the bum, 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 instead of playing these first ending measures, measure 7 and 8, I would instead skip over to measure 9 and 10. So that would sound like this. Dum, 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 da, 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 dum. And now we'll go through the B part. I've clicked on the B part. I've made sure it's highlighted. Here we go. And finally, for the C part, I've clicked on the C part and made sure it's highlighted. Here's the C part from beginning to end. So remember that Jolly Old St. Nicholas is recorded in 2 different sections to help give you a chance to learn the song, the recording process, to make sure that your first and second endings are taken care of correctly. When you go to record the first part, good luck. When you go to record the second part, even more luck to you. That's a longer stretch of music. You can do it if you give it the time. Remember that the C part is the easiest and the A part is the hardest. So decide what you want to go with and know that whatever you do is going to be great, and I'm going to be proud of you. Congratulations for making it this far. I look forward to hearing your Jolly Old St. Nicholas.